Handling support requests from multiple channels in one tool can seem complicated, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it efficiently in just a few minutes. Whether you're dealing with emails, social media messages, or live chats, you'll want a solution that consolidates everything into one place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to streamline your process and make your support team more efficient than ever. Now, most popular tools out there offer some version of multi-channel support, but finding the right one that lets you seamlessly manage all your communication channels without juggling multiple platforms is key. I've tried many options, and today I'll walk you through the best software I've found to handle support requests from multiple channels in one tool. The first thing to understand is that you need a centralized inbox. This feature will collect all your support tickets, messages, and interactions in one place. No more switching between tabs for email, social media, and live chat. With the software we'll be using today, all your conversations will be neatly organized, allowing you to prioritize them based on urgency. Next, you'll need to make sure your tool can handle automation. Having a smart system in place that automatically sorts incoming requests into categories like urgent, low priority, or follow-up needed helps your team stay organized. This tool uses AI-driven workflows to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Automation also means your team spends less time sorting through messages and more time solving customer issues. Don't forget about team collaboration features. Handling requests from multiple channels means you'll likely have a team involved. With this tool, you can assign tickets to different agents, add internal notes, and even tag requests based on customer history or urgency. It's all about ensuring a smooth workflow and making sure the right person is always on the case. Now, let's talk about reporting. As your team handles more requests, you'll want to track how well you're doing. Our software gives you detailed analytics on response times, customer satisfaction, and issue resolution, so you can see where improvements are needed and make data-driven decisions. One of the most important things to keep in mind when choosing a tool for this is integration. You need a platform that integrates well with all the channels your customers are using, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, email, or even SMS. Our software ensures seamless communication across platforms, so your team doesn't miss a thing. As I mentioned earlier, I've tried out the most popular software options, but this one truly stands out. In the description below, you'll find a link to an exclusive free trial, just for viewers of this channel, so you can follow along and see how it all works for yourself. Key takeaway: handling support requests from multiple channels in one tool boils down to three things: a centralized inbox, automation to streamline your workflow, and collaboration features to keep everyone on the same page. The tool we covered today makes managing multi-channel support seamless and efficient. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial using the link below if you want to try it out yourself. To recap, use a centralized inbox, automate your workflows, and integrate all your communication channels into one tool for better team collaboration and tracking. And remember, take advantage of the free trial in the description to see how it can work for you. Thanks for watching.